Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your very own notebooks. So let's get started. First, we're going to be making the pages of the notebook. So I first drew this rectangle, which is 22 centimeters by 14 centimeters. Then you want to go ahead and cut it out. Then I folded the rectangle in half. Now you want to do this step over again so that you have more pages in your notebook. Here I made 6 rectangles. Then I just folded them in half. You have to take all these sheets of paper and tuck them into each other so that they become the pages of the notebook. Now it's time to decorate the notebook. So the way I decorated my notebook was I drew a cupcake with this cute face, but you can decorate it however you like. Now I'm going to trace out my drawing with a black Sharpie. Then I'm going to go ahead and color it. You can use some markers as well as some pencil crayons. After tracing out my drawing with a black Sharpie, I colored my drawing in with some pencil crayons. So now I'm going to staple the spine of the notebook so that it can hold all the pages together. So here I stapled my notebook. Since the staples on the notebook doesn't really look that good, so I decided to use some ribbon to cover that up. You can also use some decorative tape. Now I'm going to use my glue stick to glue on the ribbon where the staples are. So I glued on the ribbon to cover the staples, and I also decided to put ribbon on the other side. So this is a notebook I created, and I'm pretty sure you guys could do this DIY too since it's really easy and simple. So here's how the notebook turned out. So this is the end of my video. I hope you all liked it, and I'm sure you all will try making this DIY notebook. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye!